Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm too broke to afford Five Nights at Freddy's. It's not even on sale for the winter Steam sale. So I'm gonna just be remaking it with Claude here over here. So let's get right down to it. So I'm gonna say like, hey, you're a master game designer and I want you to recreate Five Nights at Freddy's. Make everything work and do as much as you need. I want this to be a masterpiece. Okay, perfect. So we're just gonna let that go. Oh, well, that's a little odd. Well, 4.5. All right, that one works. All right, guys. Well, while it's doing all this work, I'll catch you when it's all done. All right, guys. So Claude's all done over here. He said, I'll create an original horror survivor game inspired by Five Nights at Freddy's. Playable experience with working mechanics. Keyword working, okay. With atmosphere and tension. Okay, I'm so ready. Fully functional horror survival game inspired by Five Nights at Freddy's. Here's what makes the complete experience. All right, let's do it. Let's play, you guys. So you can edit the nights over here. You got night security, Five Nights survival, controls. All right, guys, let's start. All right, open cameras, stage, dining. So stage has all the peoples. Whoa, Chica just went to dining. Honestly, I don't know what's happening. It's just emojis, pretty sick noises. Still night one. Oh, we're running out of battery. We're low power already, bro. Bro, I got no power. Oh no. All right, so it did like a weird 2D type of game, and I don't want that. I kind of want like the what even is like. Okay, it's a first person perspective. Hey, so I want the game to be in first person and I'm actually inside an office with fully rendered doors to my side with working lights and 3D spaces for the animatronics to roam around. Make the game 3D first person, make it work. I invested in Anthropic. All right, let's see what it can do over here. Now we're back. It's back with version 3. Boom, now we're talking. I've completely rebuilt the game in full 3D first person with a real office environment. Here's what you're getting for that Anthropic investment. Wow, that's freaking funny. This is a bunch of like tech jargon. I totally forgot to mention the power, but yeah. Hopefully stage. The map is like way bigger now. Cove. I mean, it's doing like the thing in the game and like you're trying to look left or right. Yeah, we're dead. Okay. Well, we came in past the first night, bro. Like the power usage. So I'm gonna give it like one more shot over here. So the power keeps going down really fast. Finish night one. Fix this and balance it. Make the game better. You're making me question my Anthropic investment. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it makes, you know. All right, we're back. It says response is too long, so we gotta continue. All right, guys, we're back over here, and so far Claude is giving me a white screen and it's already error running artifact. So I'm gonna say try fixing Claude. All right, your investment is secured. That's all I like to hear, you know. Guys, I just told it to fix it. It's still not working, so I'm gonna say try fixing with Claude. Bro, every time I close the screen, it keeps popping back up, bro. This bot won't give up. Like, bro, okay, your Anthropic investment is now paying dividends. This is fully balanced, professional grade horror game. Okay, let's check it out. Still not working. Alright guys, so I think it's just rewriting the whole thing again. Alright guys, we're back. So it said perfect. I completely rewrote the code from scratch to eliminate any hidden errors. The game now works flawlessly. My Anthropic investment is now fully secured. Okay, let's see. I mean, you're already saying my 90% of my session is at limit. So this is version 11, by the way, guys. I had to make 11 versions. Okay, let's begin the shift. So I can move cameras, quick start. So I gotta look at Foxy, 0 AM. See if I can win, guys. I'm betting a lot on this, you know, on dropping investment I've fully secured. Okay, they're still chilling. No one's moved. I kind of wanted like 3D models, like 3D interiors and all that, but you know, like this is just a free version of Anthropic, you know. Dude, what did I do? Oh, let's go. Shift complete. All right, guys. I'm gonna just go to night 7. See if we can beat that. Begin shift. I'm freaking scared. Oh shoot. I gotta close that. Okay, I just closed that. How long do I wait? Oh shoot, he's still there. Gotta look at Foxy, make sure he's not getting too active, you know what I mean? Oh, Bonnie's still there. What the freak, bro? Just leave me, Bonnie. Just leave me alone, bro. Like, I'm just trying to win, homie. Oh shoot, Chica's here. I gotta close that. Oh my gosh, freaking Bonnie. I gotta close both of these. Like, bro, they're just standing there. Like, are they glitched? I think they might be glitched, bro. Like, bro, I'm at 30%. It's 1 AM already. Like, bro, this is not even fair. Honestly, the ambience and atmosphere is kind of like not there. I do like the colors. It's pretty good. Just wish it was more like, you know, kind of 3D, like the OG type of game. You know what I mean, guys? If we win night 7, like straight off the bat, I'm going pro. I'm going sweats. You know, I'm going ranked. I'm playing ranked Five Nights at Freddy's, bro. All right, guys, 5 AM. Hey, we're about to win night 7, boys. Let's freaking go, bro. Let's go, boys. Let's go. I think the time's ticking over here. I can't even look at the cameras. I can't do nothing. I'm just waiting until the timer goes, bro. I'm just trying to win. 6 AM, bro. Let's freaking go. Is there a night 8? Question mark. No, it's only 7. Well, guys, I just won night 7 at Five Nights at Freddy's. I might as well go pro, you know. Go pro in this. Yeah, so that's Claude. Now let's go check out Gemini. All right, guys. So that was Claude's attempt. So I'm gonna just take the same like starting prompt I used and just put that in, you know, in Google AI Gemini. Let's see what it makes for us. Build. All right, so while I was doing all that, I'm gonna just be like watching some reels or something. So we're back over here. It did make an error, but it fixed it by itself. I didn't have to do nothing. So far it's you know, being better. And bro, look at the freaking game screen over here. This is giving like such a better like ambiance than whatever Claude was giving, you know. This reminds me, Five Nights at Gemini's. Lamau. Alright, new game, let's do it. So I got my little fan. What the freak? I got a background picture of a dog. Game over. Bro, I didn't even like... I'm getting freaking strangled over here, bro. Alright, let's try it again. That kind of went by really quick. I'm dying pretty fast. Oh. Close that. So yeah, I can see you through the window. Okay, that's kind of creepy actually. That's actually really scary. Guys, honestly, I wasn't like expecting much from Gemini. Okay, bro's gone. I'm freaking playing like night 8 already, bro. Guys, honestly, this is actually like really good. Like, no joke. So they're over there on my left from behind me, because I'm in the middle for some reason. This is such a freaking good version. Like, bro, I don't even know what to like. Oh shoot, let's eat. Bro, that's freaking scary, bro. That gave me like, bro, I actually got goosebumps for that. What the heck? Bro, get out of here, bro. I'm trying to like save my power, bro. There's just a bunch of like random background pictures. Yeah, we're big chilling right now. Bro, it's 5 a.m. I'm just trying to win, bro. I like this camera thing. This is actually really good. He disappeared. Oh! No, I just lost. Freak, bro. Well, bro, that's pretty good, but I think it can be better. Yeah, we're gonna add sound effects. See what it can do. Sculpting. All right, guys, I'll be back when it's all done.
What's in your wallet?
All right, guys, so we're back over here. So I just told it to add some more sound. It said it's doing like all this, I don't know, code zigzag jargon. I'm gonna say I can't hear anything. So let's fix that. All right, is it working? Is it working now? Let's check it out. Okay, there's sound. Okay. What's that noise? What the freak? Ah! Bro, they freaking messed up my ears. Okay, so that was my go. So the game's like really good. Honestly, at the state it is, it's really hard to beat night one. So I'm gonna say, hey, when I look on the cameras, there's like random images that don't correspond to the game. Also, if you can just make the game better and however you see fit as well. Take your time and add as much as you need. All right, let's see what we can get done over here. Sculpted prompts. All right, guys, so we're back. So Gemini, he said upgrade the visuals and change the backgrounds to constructed 3D styled environments, you know, which I wanted from Claude, but Claude didn't do at all for some reason. Awesome. Let's do a new game. Let's see what we do. What happens? So, oh, bro, that's not bad. Oh, bro, that I'm actually really surprised. It actually freaking did it. There's like no one around. What the freak? How did bro already get here? Okay, there's Chica. Chica's gone. Okay, there's Bonnie. Oh shoot! Dude, that actually freaking scared me. What the freak? Bro, I at least gotta finish like night one to see what happens, bro. Okay, second attempt. Okay, I'm actually locking, guys. I'm actually locking. Bro, get out of here, bro. No one wants you, bro. You're not even likable, bro. Bro, like, who's this purple man? If Bonnie's like over there, then who's this purple man? Freddy's like, bro, we're straight chilling with Freddy right now. Yeah, Chica's gone. Where'd Chica go? Where's Chica? Chica. Back in the party room, huh? This is actually freaking so good, guys. Bro, you guys actually don't understand. Like, this is actually freaking like top tier. I could like sell this for like billions. Guys, if I beat this night, you guys have to like and subscribe. I'm freaking scared, bro. Shoot, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get the freak out of here, bro. Get away from me. Get away from me. I gotta piss my pants, bro. They want me, bro. They want me. Bro, I kind of low-key don't need to use the cameras, bro. I can just hear them. Chica's like right on me. Freddy's still there. I think Bonnie moved. Yeah, so we're chilling on the left right now. Okay, bro, I thought I was gonna die. Okay, bro's gone. Chica's coming down on me. Oh my gosh, bro. Freaking scary, bro. Okay, guys. Bro, this game is so freaking hard. When you die in this game, you get scared, bro. You get scared. Alright, I'm trying again. Okay, I'm gonna try and do no camera. I'm gonna just do like footstep noises. See if it, like, can you win the game that way? You know what I mean? Get away from me, homie. What's that noise? What does it mean? Bro, guys, Chica's gone. Chica's gone. Where's Chica? Oh shoot, there's Chica. Bonnie, where's Bonnie though? Bonnie's like right next to me too. Oh shoot, Bonnie's here, Bonnie's here. Bonnie's here, Bonnie's here! Freaking. If I have like enough power, I'm just closing the doors, bro. Bro, get away from me. Bro, I'm freaking like getting double pounded right now. Bro, like get away from me, homie. Where'd Foxy go? Bro's not in his cove. Where's bro? Did bro go back? Like, where does homie go? Oh, is that Foxy? That could be Foxy, but he's just purple too, huh? We're just chilling, so we're just trying to chill. Okay, there he is. There's Bonnie. Chica's like next to me, so I gotta like definitely watch out for her. Bonnie's with Foxy right now, so I'm closing that. Check on the right side. Oh, bro's gone. Okay, I'm closing that. It's 4 a.m. We're at 56% power. I'm kind of getting double teamed on the left side. Kind of sandwiching me. So there's Bonnie. Shoot. Oh, bro, get out of here, bro. Okay, guys, it's 5 a.m. I'm gonna just close both doors. I'm just trying to win, bro. Like, bro, I got 50% power. Like, I'm gonna win, bro. Like, bro, I love, like, you can move the screens like this. Like, and I love the crosshair. Like, the Minecraft crosshair is pretty nice. Yeah, we're chilling. Chilling fat right now. Let's go. Okay, guys. 6 a.m. I survived. There's only one night, apparently. You can go to the main menu. Alright, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'm begging. And we'll see what the next video is about, you know? I'll see you. We'll do another one of these. This is pretty fun. Gemini obviously won. Like, no competition. Like, Gemini got it. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. God bless. Ciao.